Welcome to the Document Editor, a powerful extension for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, developed by Shreeji SoftInfo Consultancy LLP. We type Document Editor Setup in the search box. This opens the Document Editor Setup page. It has one key setting under the General section, Allow Log Entry. This toggle is currently turned on, which means every document edit will be automatically recorded in the change log. You can turn this off if you do not need audit tracking. Now let's go back and navigate to the Sales Invoices list under the Sales menu. Here you can see a list of sales invoices for various customers. Select a text file for testing and click the Document Editor action. The Document Editor opens and displays waiting for document, while the selected file is being loaded from the attachment record. We add a new line at the bottom of the document. This is a sample text. The status bar at the bottom updates in real time. We click Save, and the updated text file is saved directly back into the Business Central attachment record. No downloading or uploading required. The document editor supports plain text, Excel, PDF, and image files directly in Business Central. All changes are saved to the file. Next, we go back and open the Excel file, Customer Ledger Entries.xlsx. The document editor loads it instantly into a full spreadsheet editor, complete with formatting tools, formula bar, filter, find and replace, and row and column management. A new sheet called Sheet 2 is added. A confirmation message reads, Sheet 2 added. We switch to Sheet 2 and type, this is a sample, in cell A1. We click Save. To verify the save, we go back and reopen Customer Ledger Entries.xlsx. The file reloads and Sheet 2 is still there. Cell A1 still shows, this is a sample. The data was saved correctly. Is saved back to Business Central. Now let's open the PDF. We click Document Editor from the Action menu for Document Editor User Guide.pdf. A loading screen appears showing Opening Document Editor User Guide.pdf. The PDF editor then loads all 10 pages, with thumbnail previews in the left panel. We click the Text tool and add a text annotation to page 1. This is a sample sentence. The annotation appears at the top of the page, clearly visible alongside the cover content. Click Save and confirm by selecting Yes, Save in the dialog. The annotated PDF is then saved back to Business Central. To verify, we go back and reopen the PDF. It loads again and page 1 now shows the text annotation. This is a sample sentence, still in place at the top of the cover page. The save was successful. Finally, let's open the image file. We click Document Editor from the Action menu for Shreeji SoftInfo Logo.png. The image viewer loads the logo, 350 by 100 pixels, 19.3 kilobytes. The toolbar provides zoom, rotate, flip, reset, crop, and undo and redo controls. We open the search bar and type Document Editor Setup. Before checking the log, the search results also show the Document Editor Setup page, confirming that Allow Log Entry is still turned on. This is what enabled all the audit entries we are about to see. Now let's go to the Log Entries page. It now shows 3 entries. Notice there is no entry for the image file, because that session was closed without saving. The Actions menu on this page also provides a Delete Log Entries option. This opens a dialog where you can set a date range and filter by file extension, user, or other fields. Then click OK to permanently remove those entries from the log. A progress dialog shows Working on it, initializing report generation, while the deletion is processed. And that is the document editor for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central by Shreeji SoftInfo Consultancy LLP. Edit PDF, Excel, text, and image files, verify your saves, and track every change with a clean built-in audit log, all without leaving Business Central.